Hello everyone. Today we will discuss MCQs on fertility and infertility. Question: which enzyme is crucial for sperm penetration into the oocyte? Correct answer is A. Acrosin. Acrosin is released from the acrosome to break down the zona pellucida. Next question: which hormone suppresses FSH release to prevent multiple ovulations? Correct answer is C. Inhibin. Inhibin secreted by granulosa cells inhibit FSH secretion. Next question: which phase of meiosis is an oocyte arrested in before ovulation? Correct answer is A. Prophase 1. Primary oocytes remain arrested in prophase 1 until puberty. Next question: at which stage does fertilization occur in the female reproductive tract? Correct answer is C. Ampulla of fallopian tube. The ampulla is the most common site of fertilization. Next question: which zona pellucida glycoprotein binds sperm to the oocyte? Correct answer is C. ZP3. ZP3 acts as the primary sperm receptor on the oocyte surface. Next question: what is the minimum normal progressive sperm motility percentage? Correct answer is B. 32%. WHO defines normal progressive sperm motility as 32%. Next question: which factor determines ovarian reserve in females? Correct answer is B. Serum AMH. Anti-Mullerian hormone AMH is the best indicator of ovarian reserve. Next question: which part of the sperm fuse with the oocyte membrane? Correct answer is D. Equatorial region. The equatorial region of the sperm head mediates fusion with the oocyte membrane. Next question: what is the main role of capacitation in sperm? Correct answer is B. Acrosome reaction. Capacitation enables sperm to undergo the acrosome reaction for oocyte penetration. Next question: which test evaluates sperm DNA integrity? Correct answer is B. Sperm chromatin dispersion test. This test assesses sperm DNA fragmentation, crucial for fertility. Next question: which mutation causes congenital bilateral absence of the Bass difference CBABD? Correct answer is B. CFTR. CFTR mutations causes CBABD, often linked with cystic fibrosis. Next question: which condition is characterized by increased FSH and small testes in males? Correct answer is A. Klinefelter syndrome. 47XXY males have testicular atrophy, high FSH, and infertility. Next question: which hormone is deficient in Kalaman syndrome? Correct answer is B. GnRH. Kalaman syndrome is a congenital deficiency of GnRH causing infertility. Next question: which fertility disorder is caused by endometrial scarring? Correct answer is B. Asherman syndrome. Asherman syndrome is intrauterine adhesions leading to infertility. Next question: which semen analysis parameter is most affected by oxidative stress? Correct answer is B. Sperm motility. Reactive oxygen species ROS impairs sperm motility and function. Next question. Which drug is used to induce evolution in clomiphene resistant PCOS? Correct answer is A. Letrozole. Letrozole is preferred for ovulation induction in PCOS. Next question. What is the purpose of ICSI in IVF? Correct answer is D. Injection of sperm directly into the egg. ICSI is used for severe male infertility. Next question. Which hormone is suppressed in controlled ovarian hyperstimulation? Correct answer is B. LH. LH suppression prevents premature ovulation in IVF. Next question. Which ART technique helps avoid mitochondrial disease? Correct answer is C. Mitochondrial replacement therapy MRT prevents maternal mitochondrial disorders. Next question. What is the main risk of ovarian stimulation? Correct answer is B. Ovarian hyperstimulation syndrome OHSS. OHSS is caused by excessive ovarian response to fertility drugs. Next question. Which chromosomal abnormality is most common in recurrent pregnancy loss? Correct answer is D. Robertsonia translocation. Balanced translocations can lead to recurrent miscarriage. Next question. Which HLA class is associated with implantation failure in IVF? Correct answer is C. HLA-C. HLA-C incompatibility between partners can lead to implantation failure. Next question. Anti-sperm antibodies affect which sperm function the most? Correct answer is B. Motility. Anti-sperm antibodies agglutinate sperm reducing motility. Next question. Which immune factor is elevated in endometriosis related infertility? Correct answer is B. TNF alpha. TNF alpha promotes inflammation, disrupting implantation. Next question. Which gene is essential for male sex determination? Correct answer is A. SRY. SRY on the Y chromosome triggers male gonadal development. Next question. Which autoimmune disorder is strongly linked to premature ovarian insufficiency POI? Correct answer is B. Addison's disease. Autoimmune adrenal insufficiency is associated with POI. Next question. Which genetic syndrome leads to early menopause due to Fragile X permutation? Correct answer is B. FXPOI. Women with FMR1 permutations have a higher risk of early menopause. Next question. Which sperm defect is most common in globosospermia? Correct answer is B. Absence of acrosome. Globosospermia results in round-headed sperm without acrosomes, causing infertility. Next question. Which cytokine imbalance is linked to unexplained infertility? Correct answer is B. high TNF alpha, low TGF beta, high inflammation TNF alpha, and low immune tolerance TGF beta impair implantation. Next question. Which ART technique allows mitochondrial replacement? Correct answer is C. Spindle transfer. Mitochondrial spindle transfer prevents transmission of mitochondrial diseases. Next question. Which genetic screening method is used in pre-implantation genetic testing PGT? Correct answer is C. NGS. Next generation sequencing NGS allows detailed embryonic genetic screening. Next question. Which ART technique bypasses the zona pellucida for direct fertilization? Correct answer is A. ICSI. Intracytoplasmic sperm injection ICSI bypasses the zona pellucida. Next question. Which factor improves embryo implantation success in IVF? Correct answer is D. All of the above. These methods enhance endometrial receptivity for implantation. Next question. Which technique is used for fertility preservation in cancer patients? Correct answer is A. Cytose vitrification. Vitrification allows long-term cytosis preservation before cancer treatments.